Oh, hello everyone! Are you spending a lot of time on your phone today?
Hi, everyone. Yes, we all use our phones too much. But what if you can use your phone to learn English?
Exactly! Welcome back to the Confident English podcast. I am Sophie.
And I am Alex. Today, we have a very important topic. We will give you 4 easy tips to learn English using social media.
Yes, social media is not just for fun. It is a fantastic school. Are you ready, Alex?
Oh, I am very ready. Let's start with tip number 1.
Tip number 1. Change your phone language to English.
Whoa, change the language. Is that difficult, Selfie?
No, it is very easy. You go to your phone settings. Let me spell settings. Settings. Settings.
Ah, okay. So I change my phone from my language to English. Why is this a good idea?
Because you look at your phone every day. If your phone is in English, you see English words all the time. Words like share, like, search.
Yes, I understand. You read English every single day. It becomes completely normal. It becomes a habit.
Exactly, a great daily habit. Okay, tip number 2. Always use subtitles.
Subtitles. I love subtitles. Let's spell it. Subtitles. Subtitles.
Yes, when you watch a video on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, turn on the English subtitles.
This is my favorite advice. When you watch a video, you listen to the words with your ears
And you read the words with your eyes at the same time.
at the same time. Yes, this is perfect for beginners. If the speaker is very fast, the text helps you understand.
It is true. I do this every day. It helps my pronunciation and it helps my spelling.
Let's move to tip number 3. Don't just watch, write comments. Ooh, write comments. That means you type on your keyboard.
Yes, many people just scroll, miming scrolling on a phone. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Don't just scroll. Stop and write a comment in English.
But Sophie, sometimes beginners are shy. They are afraid to make mistakes.
I know, but listen to me. Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes. Just keep it simple.
Yes, keep it simple. You can write, great video, or I love this. 2 or 3 words.
Exactly. Just say, thank you, teacher. It is small, but it is real practice. And use a smiley face emoji.
Yes, emojis make everything better. Oh, and finally, tip number 4. Talk about your hobbies.
Hobbies like music or cooking or sports?
Yes, follow English accounts about things you love. If you love football, follow football pages in English. Learning is fast when it is fun.
That is so true. Learning must be fun. Okay, let's review our 4 tips.
1. Change your phone settings. 2. Use subtitles. 3. Write short comments. And 4. Follow your hobbies in English.
Perfect. Now, question of the day. What is your favorite app to learn English? Tell us in the comments.
And if you want more long lessons, go check out our full podcast episodes on our YouTube channel.
Waving goodbye. Keep practicing, don't be afraid, and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.
See you next time, friends. Bye.